don't struggle to wake up early because you lack discipline. You struggle because you're trying to win a fight that happens at the wrong time. The real battle isn't at 5 a.m. It's 14 hours earlier. And once you see this, waking up early becomes mechanical, not motivational. Most people treat waking up early as a morning decision. It's not. It's a delayed consequence. If your body wants 8 hours and you give it 5, you are not lazy when you snooze. You are biologically correct, and willpower loses to biology every time. Before we go deeper, if this channel makes you think differently about effort, about discipline, about the systems you're operating inside, then subscribe and join our growing community. This is a space for people who don't just want motivation, but also want clarity. Like the video so YouTube suggests it to more like-minded thinkers. And share it with anyone, friends, family, colleagues, who might be forcing themselves into routines that don't fit. Now let's get into it. Here's the shift. Stop trying to wake up early. Start trying to fall asleep early. That's it. The easiest way to wake up at 5 a.m. is to make 9:30 p.m. non-negotiable. Because mornings don't require discipline. They require sleep debt elimination. You're not bad at waking up. You're just consistently under-recovered. Most advice attacks the wrong variable. Cold showers, motivational speeches, 5 alarms across the room. All of that treats the symptom. But the real variable is this: your nervous system. If your nervous system is overstimulated at night, you will delay sleep. If you delay sleep, you will resist waking. This is not a mindset flaw. It's a stimulus problem. Here's the simplest method that actually works. Not a routine, a constraint. 90 minutes before your target sleep time. No dopamine spikes. No scrolling. No intense shows. No bright overhead lighting. No stimulating conversations. You're not being disciplined. You're lowering neurological friction. When stimulation drops, sleep arrives naturally. When sleep is sufficient, waking early requires almost no force. Most people apply effort at the point of resistance, but high performers reduce resistance before effort is required. That's the difference. Struggling at 5 a.m. is high effort, low leverage. Engineering 9:30 p.m. is low effort, high leverage. Same goal, different leverage point. If waking up early feels like a daily fight, it's not because you lack discipline. It's because your system is misaligned. Fix the night. The morning fixes itself. No hype. No identity change. Just biology respected instead of fought. Stop trying to prove you're disciplined. Start designing friction out of the equation. Because effort applied at the wrong time always feels harder than it should. And that's not a character flaw. It's a systems flaw. Finally, if this shifted the way you see routines, if it made you feel understood instead of judged, subscribe and join this growing community. We're building a space for people who want alignment, not pressure. Like the video, it helps this reach more people who feel like they're failing systems that were never built for them. And share it with someone who keeps saying, "I just can't wake up early, no matter how hard I try." They might not be inconsistent. They might just be misstructured. I'll see you in the next one.